All right, time for the little pre-intro thingy. You recorded one, right?
Yeah, I kind of didn't record one.
Okay, let's move on. I'm gonna sit again. So, welcome to the Nearly Historical Railroad channel. If you like our videos, subscribe, do that stuff. So tonight, I'm gonna keep working on the King City coal mine area. I'm gonna try and get these two spurs accessible and maybe even running. So I always have big hopes, but I think that's what's gonna happen. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, in the last video, we laid ties down for this turnout, and they're all, you know, like too big or whatever. So I'm just gonna mark them and trim them all back to where they need to be. This turnout's going in like this. This little bar's got to be able to move back and forth, so I always like to clean this out some, file it out or something. Just lower it down a little bit so it's out of the way, so it doesn't really catch or drag. So, yeah. So I brought my 11-year-old daughter with me today, and she's been putting these together for us. So there's some assembly required, small parts, but she's got the hang of it now, so that's helped out. We're gonna make a place for these guys to go. Hey, okay, having problems with this turnout, but I might have it working now again. Back. You can actually let it go all the way that way if you wanted to. Okay, got that sorted out. That little guy's all working now, so that's good. Gonna keep working on getting this turnout in. These guys over here, they're working on street lights and wiring. So we're working on the lights for the buildings and whatnot. So we've got these little, we got a whole bundle of these wires that have had these little plugs on them. So we're just utilizing those. Oh look, right here it is. We got this whole bundle of wires. I don't know where we got that from, but already has all these little plugs on that end and that end. So we just ran those down through the layout. We're gonna use those so we can plug the buildings, plug the lights in and out, take the buildings that easy. So I'm gonna start cutting the rail. Go into the new turnout. The traffic here is crazy. All right, so I've kind of got this turnout in. I'm gonna hot wire it and we'll see if stuff runs over it. Okay, well, it's not in at this end, but this end it is. Okay. Okay, so my tie's not quite in the right spot. So I'll just extend them out, but I like the way this is flowing into here right now. So I'm gonna leave it, we'll just add ties onto there later. So we got this in, and that's working nicely, works well. Got this turnout, well, 2/3 of the way in. Tried running locomotive over it, and I just gotta wire it. I don't have any feeders on it, so nothing's running over it well. Might be some track issues with it, but I gotta get it wired so that I can figure that out. Okay, so I'm actually gonna stop this and jump in for a minute. So there's actually an issue with how I laid this turnout down, and you're gonna have to wait till the next video to see what that is. But it's kind of an important little tip, so make sure you stick around for the next video. But you know, let's just keep going.
Made mistakes, but I left them in the past. I promise that I learned my lesson.
So again, these are all new street lights. The old ones, they were just really brittle and some weren't working, and so we're putting in all new street lights. Buildings are all just kind of sitting here, but they ran a new bus wire underneath for the lights, for power for the lights. So this is like the new kind of bus line for the lights. These are the little feeders, you could say, that light that goes up to the buildings to light those. So that's all in place. This has got 12 volts coming off of it. So that's kind of getting redone. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe and ring the little notification bell. That way you get notifications when a new video comes out. Like it, leave some nice comments, nice ones. And in the next video, we're going to keep working on this turnout, and I'm going to show you what the big issue was with this turnout. It's kind of important if you're doing hand-laid turnouts. You might want to make sure you check on that video. That's it. Wait, so in the next video, I'll make sure I have an intro thingy, because that's kind of my thing. Someday I'm gonna run out of ideas though, but whatever, I do have one for the next video. Yeah, okay, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.